Nestled along the pristine shores of the Gulf of Thailand lies Pattaya Beach, a destination that captivates travelers with its irresistible blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and endless adventures. From its golden sands to its azure waters, Pattaya Beach offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that promise to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. A tapestry of culture and heritage. Pattaya Beach is not just a tropical paradise, it's a melting pot of diverse cultures and rich heritage. Wander through the bustling streets and discover ornate temples adorned with intricate carvings, where the scent of incense fills the air and the rhythmic chants of monks create an atmosphere of serenity. Don't miss the chance to explore iconic landmarks like the Sanctuary of Truth, a breathtaking wooden structure that stands as a testament to Thai craftsmanship and spirituality. Here, amidst the soaring spires and elaborate sculptures, visitors can immerse themselves in the intricate details of Thai art and philosophy. Adventures await. For thrill seekers and water lovers, Pattaya Beach offers an array of exhilarating activities that promise to get the adrenaline pumping. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful marine life, or soar above the waves on a parasailing adventure for breathtaking views of the coastline. For those craving a taste of adventure on land, embark on an ATV excursion through lush jungles and rugged terrain, or test your skills with a round of golf at world-class courses that offer stunning vistas at every turn. Sustainable tourism and conservation efforts. As Pattaya Beach continues to attract visitors from around the globe, there's a growing emphasis on sustainable tourism and conservation efforts to preserve its natural beauty for future generations. Local organizations and initiatives are working tirelessly to protect the delicate ecosystems that thrive both on land and in the surrounding waters. Travelers are encouraged to participate in eco-friendly activities and support responsible tour operators that prioritize environmental conservation. From beach cleanup events to sustainable diving excursions, there are countless ways for visitors to give back to the community and contribute to the preservation of Pattaya Beach's pristine environment. Embracing local traditions and festivals. Throughout the year, Pattaya Beach comes alive with vibrant festivals and cultural celebrations that offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of the local community. From the colorful spectacle of the Songkran Water Festival to the mesmerizing displays of traditional dance and music during Loi Krathong, these events showcase the rich tapestry of Thai culture and heritage. Visitors are invited to join in the festivities, immerse themselves in age-old traditions, and forge connections with the warm and welcoming people of Pattaya Beach. Whether it's sampling local delicacies at a street food festival or participating in a traditional Thai cooking class, there's no better way to experience the true essence of this enchanting destination.